Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on ginger paste under capacity building component of PMFME scheme. Ginger belongs to the family of Gingiberaceae. It is a flowering plant whose rhizome is widely used as a spice and a folk medicine. This indigenous plant is an important spice crop of the world. It is valued in medicine as a carminative and stimulant of the gastrointestinal tract. Dry ginger is used for the manufacture of oil, oleoresin, essence, soft drink, non-alcoholic beverages, and vitaminized effervescent soft drinks. India is considered as one of the largest producer and exporter of ginger in the world. Most Asian and Indian cuisines use ginger in most of their dishes because it can prevent loss of appetite, motion sickness, and is a natural pain reliever. It is also used for medicinal purposes to cure inflammation, nausea, treating asthma, and other conditions. The root of the ginger plants is eaten fresh or sometimes in powdered form of dry spice. In this video, we will see the processing of ginger into ginger paste. Selection of ginger. High quality of fresh ginger rhizomes are required so that the color, aroma, and taste remain nice and fresh in the final product. The gingers are separated on the basis of the surface color, shape, size, weight, soundness, firmness, cleanliness, and maturity. Selection may be done manually or mechanically. Sorting is also done by hand or machine to remove the gingers. Cleaning. Ginger obtained from the farmers or markets have a lot of dirt as they grow under the ground. They require a thorough cleaning to remove impurities. Cleaning and washing can either be done manually or mechanically depending upon the plant's capacity. Peeling. Peeling is one of the integral part of processing. Gingers are needed to be peeled in order to remove the inedible portion at the initial stage of processing. Currently, peeling is carried out by various methods, which includes manual peeling, that is through a knife or blade, or mechanical peeling. Peeling is followed by another round of washing to remove the leftover peels from the ginger rhizomes. Pulping. The washed and peeled gingers are then made into paste. Crushing machine is used to crush the ginger first. It is then put to pulping machine to obtain a paste of uniform consistency. Automatic ginger grinding machine can be used for fine and semi-moist puree and paste. Addition of salt and preservatives. After the ginger paste has been made, other ingredients and seasoning like salt, turmeric, and water can be added at this stage to obtain desirable flavor and consistency of the paste. Preservatives such as citric acid or ascorbic acid can also be added to increase the shelf life. Heat treatment. Preservation of culinary paste by application of heat is the most common method. Paste or puree is heated to 82 degrees centigrade or slightly below for a sufficient time to inactivate and kill the microorganisms, which can cause spoilage. Usually, time ranges from 30 seconds to 30 minutes, depending on the type of heating system. Filling. To prevent contamination, the ginger paste passes from the receiving tanks to the filling machines at a temperature not lower than 75 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade. The containers are filled with the paste and immediately sealed to retain the freshness of the product. Ginger paste containers come in various sizes and shapes, including bottles, cans, pouches, packs, etc. They should be sealed and labeled with attractive labels. The label needs to contain all relevant product and legal information: the name of the product, brand name, details of the manufacturer, date of manufacture, license number, FSSAI license number, expiry date, weight of the contents, and added ingredients. Cooling and storage. Containers of ginger paste may be cooled in cold air or cold water. After cooling, they are boxed and packed close together. The boxes should be kept in well-ventilated storage rooms, away from sunlight, clean, dry, and free from pests. Equipments required: washing machine, ginger peeling machine, ginger grinding machine, heat treatment machine, packaging machine. Till now, we have seen the demonstration of ginger paste processing in PMFME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state or UT governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical, and business support for the upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.